Good morning, friends. We are going to take a look at spelling page 131. At the top it says, a stressed syllable in a word is the syllable that is spoken louder than the other syllables. An accent mark is a short line placed at the beginning of the stressed syllable. An unstressed syllable in a word is a syllable that is spoken softer than the stressed syllable. Circle each stressed syllable and underline each unstressed syllable. So let's take a look at number 1. We are going to look for our accent mark to see which syllable is our stressed syllable, and that is what we are going to circle. So if we take a look at people, we have 2 syllables there, pull. P-E-O, the first part for P, is the stressed syllable. We see that small accent mark right before that first letter P. So let's circle P-E-O to show that that is the stressed syllable. And then we are going to underline P-L-E for the unstressed syllable. Then you're going to write the word people on the line. Number 2, bubble. I notice the accent mark is again at the beginning of our word, so we're going to circle that first syllable, B-U-B, bub. And then we're going to underline our second syllable since it is our unstressed syllable, B-L-E, bull. Number 3, turtle. We're going to circle T-U-R, since it has the accent mark to show that that is our stressed syllable. We're going to underline tul, T-L-E, and then write our word turtle on the line. Number 4, bicycle. I notice bicycle has 3 syllables. We're going to circle bi, B-I, the first syllable, since we see the accent mark there. B-I, bi, is our stressed syllable. Now we're going to underline our unstressed syllables, C-Y and C-L-E. Bicycle. Write bicycle on the line. Number 5, castle. We're going to circle the C-A, ca, since it has the accent mark to show that it is the stressed syllable. S-T-L-E is going to be underlined to show our unstressed syllable. And then write castle neatly on the line. Number 6, eagle. We're going to circle E-A. We see the accent mark there. That is our stressed syllable, E. And then we're going to underline G-L-E for our unstressed syllable, eagle. At the bottom, we're going to draw a line from a stressed syllable to an unstressed syllable to make a new word. Write each word. Number 7. I see our UN, un, is our stressed syllable. We're going to draw a line to make the new spelling word. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Your second word, I see P-I with the accent mark for the stressed syllable, P. So we're going to draw a line to cull, P-I-C-K-L-E. Make sure you drew your line there to C-K-L-E for pickle. Write that word in number 8, pickle. Number 9, I see W-A-F with the accent mark, waff. Let's draw a line to F-L-E, waffle. W-A-F-F-L-E. Number 9, waffle. And the last one, number 10, A-N, ain, cool, K-L-E. Draw a line straight across there to show the word ankle and write it on the line for number 10. Now let's take a look at page 132 on the back. We're going to read the newspaper ad about Adventureland Theme Park. Proofread the ad using proofreading marks. So our newspaper article is called Adventures Wanted. Our proofreading marks are circle misspellings, make a capital letter, we're going to underline it 3 times, add a period, we have the period and circle it, our delete sign, it kind of looks like a cursive E a little bit, add something, our upside down V, and then make a small letter, slash it. So you're going to go through your story, Adventures Wanted, using your proofreading marks to make corrections. And then once you've finished, you will go down to the bottom and write your spelling words correctly that were misspelled in the story. So all of the words that you circled there should be written correctly at the bottom. You have 10 spelling words throughout your story that are spelled wrong or misspelled. Make sure that you're also using your other proofreading marks to add in punctuation, to make letters small if needed, to add in something else, to delete, to add a period, or to make a capital letter. When you finish, don't forget to mark as done, and you do have your spelling test on Friday. You do not have a spelling lesson tomorrow, so take that time maybe for someone to give you a practice test or to practice writing your words in cursive. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday.